Prophecy, May 13, 2012. A major earthquake shall strike the western region of South America shortly. Matthew 24:7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, and pestilences, and earthquakes in divers places.
Prophecy, May 23rd, 2012, 8:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Italy 5.9 earthquake on May 20, 2012 fulfilled the 9-9 part of the 9th hour mega alarm prophecy. However, in this prophecy, there was a third 9 eventually joined the 9-9 to make 999. Interpretation: another major earthquake will strike the earth within days.
A magnitude 6.4 earthquake struck northern Argentina early on Monday, May 28, 2012. The quake occurred at 2:07 a.m. local time and was centered 72 miles east-southeast of Santiago del Estero.